Alright, so today we'll move on to the next part on proving the law of logarithms. Okay, we'll start with our simple definition. Let x to become a to the power p and y will be a to the power of q. Alright, so now if you still remember, the conversion of this to log will be, let's say I take log of x base a, this will be p, and log of y base a equals to q. Alright, okay, so now the first law says, let's say we deal using this indices first. So I'll say x times y equals to ap times aq. Alright, so now since the base is the same, so this is our law that says when the base is the same, we add the index. So that means xy can actually be written as a to the power of p plus q. Sorry, this is a. Sorry, this is a to the power of p plus q. Alright, okay, so now if we were to log both sides, so we take log base a for the value of xy. So what we'll actually get is p plus q. This is the law of these indices and how we convert it to log. This is what we saw yesterday. Base a is the base a of log. This is the number xy. So xy is here. The power will be p plus q. So now based on this p plus q, what is p plus q? We go back here and here. So that means p is log x base a and q is log y base a. So this is log a xy. So that's my first law. Okay, second law. This is when we multiply. This is the product of x and y. Okay, now let's say I take x division or quotient, x over y. So x is actually a to the power of p, y is a to the power of q. So this will actually become ap minus q. Alright, so now if I were to convert this, so a y is a p minus q. So if I were to convert this to log now, log both sides, so log base is a of xy equals to p minus q. So p minus q, p again, so p is actually up here, p is log x base a, q is log y base a. So this becomes x over y. So this is my second law of logarithm. Okay, one more. Okay, now let's say I've got x to the power of n. Okay, x to the power of n, based on what we have here, x is actually a to the power of p times n. So now if you remember back in indices, okay, this is powered by, so this is a p n, a to the power of p n. That means now I will say x to the power of n is actually a powered pn. So now if I were to use log base a of the number xn, so what I'll actually get is pn. Okay, so this will be the third law under logarithm. So that's the first one, product. Second one, first one product, Second one is division or quotient, and the third one is, okay, this is raised to a power. So these are 3 laws under logarithms. All right, okay, now refer to this, and then what you can actually do is please try this self practice 4.10 here. Okay, there are 2 questions there, number 1 and number 2. Can you please try that? Okay, thank you.